You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi there and welcome to the video today. I'm Czar. We are going to show you quickly how to set continuous shooting on your Canon 80D. So go ahead and turn it on, set it to camera. See the screen power up there? With the lens off. Alright. So what you need to do is push the drive button on the top here. Right there, you can see it. So go ahead and push the drive button and that will give you a menu. And there's your options. You've got single shot, you've got high speed continuous. So that's the mode you want right there. As you hold the button down, it will keep shooting. And then this one is low speed continuous. So you can have high speed or a low speed. So we'll go on high speed. We'll go back and there you can hear it. So that's an awesome way for you to get a continuous shot of, well, say some people playing basketball, or you want to make sure you get a sequence of shots. You want to use continuous shooting, and you can do low or high. So that's how you do that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please click like, please subscribe, and tell us what you think. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it.